We learned that concave and convex mirrors produce different types of images. Let's see if we can use this stainless steel spoon to visualize the image formation by a concave and convex mirror. So let us now take a stainless steel spoon. So in this spoon, if you observe the surfaces, you see that there is one outer surface which is bulged outwards. So this acts like a convex mirror. When you look at the inner surface, so this is bulged inwards. This is like a cave. So this is the concave mirror. So now we will see image formation on both the inner surface as well as the outer surface of the spoon. Now when you look at the convex surface of the spoon, what do you see? You see that a diminished erect image of the pen is being formed. Now as you move the distance of the pen, as you take the object away from the mirror or you bring the object towards the mirror, every time the image that is formed is erect, it is virtual and it is diminished. So the size of the image at all positions is smaller than the size of the object. So that is what we had learnt through Rain diagrams also, that in a convex mirror, image formed is always virtual, erect and diminished. Let us now look at the concave surface of the mirror. Here what do we see? Here we see that the image formed is inverted. So we see an inverted image, and as we move the object away from the mirror, the image is inverted. As we bring it near the mirror, then also the image is inverted, but when the object comes too close to the mirror, maybe this much close, then what happens? We see that the image is erect. So this proves that in case of a concave mirror, image formed is real and inverted when the object is far away, and the image formed is virtual and erect when the object is very close. Now if you want to know about the size of the image, you can see that when the object was far away, then the image was smaller in size. But as the object comes near the mirror, the size of the image keeps on increasing. I hope you found the video interesting. Like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel to get daily updates. Thank you.